Today, we're diving into the world of graphics cards on Windows 11. If you've ever wondered what's under the hood of your PC, stick around as we show you how to check which graphics card you have. Step 1. Using system information. First up, let's utilize the built-in System Information tool. Press the Windows key plus S to open the search bar, type System Information, and hit Enter. Once the app is open, navigate to Components and then Display. Here you'll find detailed information about your graphics card. Step 2. Device Manager method. If you prefer a different route, we can use the trusty Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button, select Device Manager, and look for Display Adapters. Expand the category, and voila! Your graphics card will be listed right there. Step 3. DirectX Diagnostic tool. For a more comprehensive look, we can use the DirectX Diagnostic tool. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key plus R, type DXDiag, and hit Enter. In the Display tab, you'll find information about your graphics card, including its name and driver version. Step 4. Using command prompt. Typing on the keyboard. If you're a command line aficionado, we've got you covered. Open the command prompt by pressing Windows key plus S, type ACMD, and hit Enter. Then type wmic path, Win32, video controller, get caption, and press Enter. This will display the name of your graphics card. Step 5. Checking system settings. Navigating through settings. Last but not least, you can check your graphics card through the Settings menu. Click on the Start button, go to Settings, select System, and then Display. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings, and there you have it, your graphics card information. And there you have it, techies. Checking which graphics card you have on Windows 11 is a breeze with these methods. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Until next time, may your graphics be sharp and your frame rates high.